What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys have been good and well. Today the title of the video is a KFC mukbang, and I hope that you can see this. Yeah, so I got some what do you call it, some chips and some coleslaw, and I got some chicken nuggets because why not. Chuck that on there. Is it still recording as well? Because I heard a beep. And then I also got a 8 pack of wicked wings. So sis, we gonna eat today. Yes, and I'm so hungry. So freaking good. Look at my plate. Right, look at it. If you don't know, I freaking love wicked wings. Like, wicked wings are like my favorite things to eat. And the fact that I have like 8 of these is like alright guys, so today I just wanted to do, of course, a KFC mukbang, however you say it, okay? However you say it, because I've been wanting to do a mukbang for ages, okay? How good a KFC chicken nuggets. So good. Okay, 1 second. So I asked, when was it, maybe 2 weeks ago, for some assumptions or questions about me on Insta, because on YouTube it is the most popular thing, right? And all I got, out of all you people who follow me, all I got were 4 questions or assumptions about me. Man, you guys are so cool, eh? So freaking cool. Oh my gosh, like, if I was a popular Instagrammer or YouTuber, would you have sent me a question or assumption or anything? Like, come on. Anyway, so to the 4 people that did ask a question or give me your assumptions, like, thank you so much, you're loyal. I gotta get oh my gosh, like, thumbs up if you love KFC wicked wings as much as I do. Like, So first off, I cannot eat and talk at the same time. The first assumption that came through was from Uncle Tony. Hey, also, how are you, my bro? I'm from Exploring with Stewarts. So his assumption that came through was, I don't know. What? Oh, come on. Oh, man. But thank you. At least you sent me something. Oh, mate. I just want to sit here and eat. Like, oh my gosh. Oh. Thank you, Tony. The next one I got was from Dames, from That's Dames Vlogs. He's also a YouTuber, and from what I remember was he assumed that I was already cool before watching my videos. I think that's what you said, my bro. Thank you. And I am cool. I don't need YouTube or Instagram to tell me. As I was saying, since my camera cut out, because you know it's so freaking awesome, and I've just piled on all the wicked wings and the chicken nuggets on my plate. Oh, great. Technical difficulty. Anyways, as I was saying, thank you, dames. Like, I am cool. I think you're cool too. And then the last assumption came from I want to say my Instagram friend who lives in Germany. Hey girl, she's a really good cartoonist. She loves to draw cartoons and stuff. So she sent through that she assumes that I'm actually taller in real life. I believe it was 173 centimeters tall, I think she said. Sis, no, I'm not. I'm actually short. I'm like, what is that, 5'5", 5'6", 5'4", but I don't know, 168 centimeters tall. That's how short I am. And I haven't even grown. Like, I think I've been the same size or same height same height since 21. I think I'm just shrinking. But thank you so much for your assumption. Even though I wished I was a bit taller, like, yeah. So I'd be looking down on all you shady people. You know what I'm saying? Like, thank you to you for. Oh wait, no, sorry, I have one more. Sorry. The other one that came through was from Mia. Hey girl. She's from It's Me as well. And now this was an assumption about me. as I can remember, Mia says, I think she's cool. Sis. And yes, I do think you're cool, Mia. I think me and Mia were kind of like the same person. But I'm more... I'm more feisty, you know what I'm saying? But yes, thank you, Mia. And thank you to the 4 of you who took the time to actually ask me something. Thank you. I live for wicked wings, I tell ya. So good. But in all honesty though, guys, like, for me, even at my age, you shouldn't be assuming what another person is like until you meet them yourself, you know what I mean? And actually have a conversation with them and make your mind up about that person, you know? Like, it's one thing to hear things said about that person from other people, but got your own mind, man. Like, you can go make up your own mind about somebody. Don't just assume. Don't be too quick to judge, you know? Just saying. I freaking love wicked wings. Hello KFC, can you sponsor me now? Yum. Honestly. And if you think that I'm just gonna sit here and eat this whole plate, I am. Like, I really am. And I don't know about you guys, but because I have gaps in my teeth, I always get food stuck in my teeth, and it's so freaking annoying, I tell ya. Like, oh my god. Alright guys, well, that's my video for today. I actually got a video for Sunday. Can I get a high five? Psh, 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 psh. I swear, like, yay for me. Go me. So I hope you've enjoyed watching me eat and talking about assumptions about me. But like I said, in all honesty, you should really get to know the person first before you go around assuming things about them. Alright, because my camera keeps cutting out all the freaking time because I need a new memory card, thank you guys so much for watching my KFC mukbang. So washed it all down and got me some hard stuff courtesy of my assistant over here. My family and I, we have an inside joke where we call Coca-Cola the hard stuff. So cheers. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you want to see more mukbangs. Hey. And thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Have a really good week next week. And I will catch you guys up on my next one. Peace.